Snails may seem like slow and unassuming creatures, but they possess a variety of fascinating and lesser-known facts. Here are some intriguing tidbits about snails. While commonly associated with slowness, some species of snails can actually move relatively quickly. The garden snail, Cornu aspersum, for example, can cover about 55 yards, 50 meters, in an hour. Snails have the ability to enter a state of hibernation called estivation during periods of hot and dry weather. They seal themselves inside their shells with a mucous membrane to prevent water loss and protect themselves from the elements. Snails have eyes located at the tips of their tentacles. These eyes can retract into the head for protection. Interestingly, some snails have eyes that can see both visible light and infrared radiation, helping them navigate in low light conditions. Snails have a specialized feeding structure called a radula, which is a ribbon-like structure covered in rows of tiny teeth. They use their radula to scrape and rasp food particles from surfaces. Some species of snails are remarkably long-lived. The average lifespan of a garden snail is around 2 to 3 years, but certain species can live much longer. The oldest recorded snail lived to be 14 years old. Snail shells come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and colors, depending on the species and environment. Some snails have shells with elaborate patterns, while others have smooth, translucent shells. Snails are hermaphrodites, meaning they possess both male and female reproductive organs. However, they still require a mate to reproduce. During mating, they exchange sperm with each other, and each snail can then fertilize its eggs. Snails have remarkable regenerative abilities. If a snail loses part of its body, such as a tentacle or even its shell, it can often regenerate the lost tissue over time. Snails are sensitive to changes in their environment, particularly changes in temperature and humidity. As a result, scientists sometimes use snails as bioindicators to assess environmental quality and pollution levels. Snails have appeared in various cultures throughout history, often symbolizing themes such as patience, resilience, and rebirth. They have also been featured in literature, art, and cuisine in many parts of the world.